इमेजिन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर सबकी पर्सनैलिटी एक जैसी हो. कैसा लगेगा आपको? बोरिंग, राइट? बट व्हाट मेक्स यू? क्या आपकी हैबिट्स बनाती हैं आपको, इमोशंस बनाती हैं, या कुछ और डीपर? लेट्स क्रैक द कोड ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी थ्योरीज इन अ वे you will never forget. Dear students, since I am going to discuss personality theories in one shot for your revision of your exam due on 4th of April, so I will not go into the depth. I'll just discuss some points in brief. And later in the video, you will get some of the questions for revision. Now, the very first theory is that of type theory in your syllabus. Ever met someone who is always calm या कोई जो बहुत गुस्सैल है? Type theories classify people into fixed categories, जैसे sorting apps into folders. First theory is that of Hippocrates. He has divided personality into 4 types: sanguine, choleric, melancholic, and phlegmatic. Next theory is that of Sheldon in your syllabus, that is ectomorphic, mesomorphic, and endomorphic, based on the body type. There are some other types of personality mentioned on Ayurvedic basis, but then the video will become too long. And remember one point of criticism of the type theory, that they are too simplistic for everyone to fit in the type discussed. Oh, I left Jung's theory of introversion and extroversion, but you all know it very nicely. Comes the trait theory. Traits are building blocks of personality, and Allport has talked about the trait theory in detail. He has talked about 3 types of trait: cardinal trait, central trait, and secondary trait. Next is Cattell 16PF. He has divided traits into source and surface trait using factor analysis method. Next is Eysenck's theory, which talks about neuroticism, extroversion, and psychotism. Next is big factor model, और ये मैंने NCERT boxes में अलग से भी समझाया हुआ है, तो आप वहाँ जाके देख सकते हैं. Now let me discuss the criticism in one line of the trait theory, that it is too descriptive but not explanatory. That is, ये हमको ये तो बताती है कि ये person इस तरीके से है, पर वो behave कैसे करते हैं, it doesn't talk about. Next we'll talk about psychodynamic theories. In this, the structure of personality is id, ego, and superego. Then it also talks about level of consciousness, conscious, preconscious, and subconscious. Also discusses psychosocial stages of development: oral, anal, phallic, latency, and genital, and defense mechanism which the person used to protect his ego. All this is an important topic, and if you want to study in detail, they are available on my channel. Next important is humanistic approach, which focus on personal growth, and basically under this you have 2 theories, that of Carl Rogers and Maslow. Carl Rogers talks about 2 types of self: ideal self and real self, and if there is a lot of discrepancies, then it leads to problems in personality. Next is behavioral and social learning theories, which talks about reinforcement and observation learning in the personality formation. Now, without wasting much of your time, I will discuss with you some questions which are very important for your upcoming board exam. If you want to know answers of these questions, you can type in the comment box and I will surely provide you with the answers. Okay, Wish you best of luck for your exam. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. And thank you for watching. If you feel that it is helpful, then please share it with your friends.